Hi, so in this video, we're going to look at a tree diagram. So, Wendy goes to a fair, she has one go at hoopla, she has one go on the coconut shy. Probability she wins at hoopla is 0.4, and the probability she wins on the coconut shy is 0.3. So now, that's 0.4. These two branches should add up to 1.0, so that should be 1.6. So this one will be 0.7. This one will be 0.3 and this will also be 0.7. Then part B asks us to work out the probability that Wendy wins at hoopla and also wins on the coconut shy. So Wendy wins and also wins. So she will go this way and winning. So we'll take 0.4 and we'll multiply by 0.3. And without a calculator, 4 times 3 is 12. And as there's a decimal there and a decimal here, answer will have two decimals, so this is the answer. You should also note that our answer cannot be greater than 1.